So I'm a Java programmer and I currently look after 1 million lines of Java code. I've been programming in Java for over 15 years now, and I'm not about to stop, that's for sure. But recently Oracle have split Java in two, the Open JDK and Oracle's JDK, and it worries me a bit about what the future of Java might be. So I've been researching online and on job websites. It seems to me as if a good choice for a new language to learn would be Python. You've probably seen charts like this online. Now, Python and Java have both been around for a few years now, but Python seems to be the rising star in the software development community. There's plenty of Python jobs, plenty of works done in Python. It's a general purpose language, it's platform independent, and I've heard it's easy to learn. So I've decided I'm going to teach myself Python. The Python license agreement is compatible with the GNU GPL, which means it's really open source and you're free to do anything that you want with the software that you create with Python. So I'm going to make a playlist where I'm going to install and learn how to use Python. This playlist I'm going to learn as I go through, so if you're a Java programmer, I think this might be a good playlist for you if you want to learn Python, because I'm going to learn Python from a Java programmer's point of view. So let's get straight into it. Let's install Python and see what it can do. Okay, so I'm going to install Python now, and I'm also going to install a development environment for it. So we go to python.org, downloads, and download the latest version. Now, Eclipse is an open source browser. It does Java as well as Python, but I'm going to install that because we get an unrestricted version for free as it's open source. Now, I don't actually yet have Java installed on this machine, so I'm just going to go over to oracle.com and download the JDK because Eclipse needs it. So now I'm going to download and install Eclipse. I'm going to install the Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and then I'll configure that to use Python. Okay, this is taking some time because it's downloading components from the internet, but for now I'll go and I'll search for PyDev. Now this is a plugin for Eclipse which will allow us to run Python programs in Eclipse, and I should be able to find some instructions of how to install it. Okay, so this website here is what we need to put into the Eclipse install new software, and that will install PyDev and we'll be able to use Eclipse to write Python programs. Okay, so I've installed Eclipse. I trust that this is ready to compile and run Java programs, but I want to make it run Python programs. So I'm going to go help, install new software. From the PyDev website, pydev.org, I'm going to take the URL that we need to put into Eclipse. So we put that into this box and add it. We can give it a name, so I'll just call it PyDev. And we can select PyDev for Eclipse That's what we want to install. Accept the license agreement. And now we're installing PyDev for Eclipse. And we need to restart Eclipse. Close down the browser now. So now I'm going to create a Python project. So create a project, PyDev project. I'll call it Helloworld. Now I just need to, the first time I do this, I just need to configure where the Python interpreter is. So I click on this blue link here, manual config, and I need to browse for where Python is installed. I think the installation directory will be C users, my user account, and then I think it's app data, then local programs, Python and Python. Browse to the executable, and it fills in all the other details, and we can apply that. Everything that I've installed, I've selected all the default options. I've not changed anything. Okay, and now we can finish. Open the PyDev perspective, and let's write our first Python Helloworld program. So I'm going to say new Python module. Add it to a package called Helloworld, and I'll give it the name Helloworld. I want to see a console because my Helloworld program is just going to print Helloworld to the console. So show view console, and I think the command in Python to print is just print and in quotes hello world. Now I will try and run that as a Python program. And hello world. So there we've installed Python, we've installed Eclipse. In this case we installed Java because we needed that for Eclipse, and then we've installed PyDev in Eclipse so that Eclipse is capable of compiling and running Python programs, and we've written a hello world program. So if you want to learn Python with me, particularly if you're currently a Java programmer, then subscribe to my channel and follow this playlist. Thanks for watching.